Hello students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine in home. Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter, that is getting to know your plants. Okay, so you are knowing plants are what? Plants are also one of type of living organisms. Those have green parts in their body. Okay, so you have seen plants everywhere, means outside of your home, on the way to school, on the road, in the school ground, everywhere you have seen plant. Somewhere plants are small and somewhere plants are big. Okay, so today we'll know what is plant. Okay, you are already knowing what is plant. So we'll know about plant, different types of plants and what are the parts of plants. So let's see. Here you look herbs, shrubs and trees. Here look, it is first we read about herbs. Okay. So three types of plants are there. One is herbs, second one is shrubs and third one is trees. So what is herbs? Plants with green and tender stems. Okay. Plants with green and tender stems. Okay. So which are called herbs? Means which plant have green stem, green color. Okay. Stems are green. You are knowing stem. Okay. So a plant has, if this is a plant, it has leaves. Okay. And stems and roots. Okay, so root is always in the plants, root is on the in the ground, leaves is on the branches and flower will be there. Okay, flower, fruit, everything you will find on the plant. And this long slender thing is known as, part of plant is known as branches. So this is branches. Okay, so sorry, not branches, stem. This is stem and from stem branches will come out. So look at here. So this is stem. So this stem is what? Green color. Okay, and tender means what? Soft. So this tender means soft. Okay, so you are seeing soft thing, spongy soft thing, like that. Our, what you know, the branch, sorry, stem of herbs is soft. Okay, that is tender. Then they are usually short. Okay, their height is short. They are not very long. They are short stem. So look at here, short stem. Okay, and may not have branches. They may have branches or may not have branches. So you have seen tulsi. Okay, that tulsi is known as basil. Okay, oregano. Oregano is what? This is methi. Okay, okay. Then parsley, mint. Mint you have seen. Mint is your pudina. Okay. Then parsley and coriander. Both are dhania. And bay leaf is your tejapatra. Okay. So these are, you are knowing, thyme, rosemary, dill, tarragon, chives. All are what? Shrubs. Sorry, herbs. So commonly you are knowing basil, जोटा कि तमे तुलसी जानिଛ, parsley and coriander. Coriander is proper dhania, but parsley dhania type ro. Okay, dill also you have seen. This is also one type of dhania. Then bay leaf is your tejapatra. Okay, and mint is your pudina. Okay, so these are herbs. Sorry, herbs. Yes. These are herbs which has green and tender stem. Means stem is green color and tender. Tender means soft. Soft ହେଇଥିବ. And short. Height ବେଶୀ ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇନଥିବ. Okay, that is short. And may not have branches. Branches they don't have. Okay, may not have. Next is what? Next is shrubs. Okay. Next we'll study about shrubs. You have seen rose, China rose. Look at here, China rose. ଯାହାକୁ ତମେ ମନ୍ଦାର କହୁଛ. Then bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is what? Bougainvillea, by look you are knowing this is what? କାଗଜ ଫୁଲ. Okay. So some plants develop branches near the base of stem. This stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. तो कौन हुए? Where this is developing the stem जोठु आरंभ हुए सेठी कोन ता पाखरु तमरो branch develop हुए. Okay, so many branches will develop like this. जेमि तमे को गछ देखिछो तमरो मंदार गछरे नहले तमरो गोलाप गछरे, or even you can see in what? Your bougainvillea means कागज फुल. So branches near the base of stem. Okay, like this. Okay, and stem is hard. Your stem hard थाए. Okay, and but not very thick. बेसी thick means मोटा न थाए. These are called shrubs. Example is rose, China rose, and bougainvillea. Okay, China rose is also known as hibiscus. Okay, next we'll move. Trees. Trees are what? Big plants. You have seen people. Okay. Banyan, coconut. Okay. So, people. I am not remembering the Odia name of people. Okay. Banyan is borogacho. Ostogacho. Now I remember. This is ostogacho. Odia re yaku kon konti? People ku ostogacho. So some plants are very tall. देखो height रे यार बहुत height अच्छी. That's why it is very tall. Have hard and thick stem. याको stem देखो कितने hard अच्छी. आउ तेके thick means मोटा अच्छी. Okay, as compared to herbs and shrubs. Herbs और shrubs से तो compare करियो तो कौन हो? So मोटा means thick अच्छी. आउ hard. The stems have branches in the upper part. Branches stem रो branches कोठी? Upper part रे, ऊपर part रे. Okay, look, here branches have been grown on the stems. Here also branches have been grown like this. Okay, much above the ground. Ground tharu bahut upare. Such plants are called trees. Okay, so trees are big plants, very tall, hard and thick stem, and branches are on the above of the ground, upper plant. Okay, example, people, banyan, and coconut. तमरो people osto गछ, banyan होची बरो गछ, then coconut तो तमे जानी छो. No need to say, after seeing only you can say. Okay. Next, apart from your herbs, shrubs and tree, there are other type of plants are there. Okay, these are climbers and creepers. Okay, so climbers, from climbers, you remember that term. What is that? Climb. Climb माने कौन? चढ़िबा. हला. उपरकू चढ़िबा. Next, creeper. From creepers, what you know? Creep. Creep means कौन? जेमती छुआ गुरुंडे तळे. That is creepers. गुरुंडिबा. Okay. That is creepers. साप गुरुंडी गुरुंडी जाए. Like that. That is creep. And this is climb. Okay. So we are looking, first we'll see climbers. Climbers means what? Plants with weak stem. Plants that have a weak stem that take support and climb up are called climbers. Okay. जार weak stem थिबो देखो यार stem बहुत weak. Weak means what? दुर्बल. Okay. So यार weak अच्छी stem. That's why it is taking support. ये कहारो support नहीं कि ऊपर को जाऊँची. Okay. So it is taking the support and going up. Okay, means climbing up. That's why these are called climbers. So climbers means which climb up and take support, which have weak stem. Example, grapevine. Look at grapevine, anguro, pea, tamaro motaro, and money plant. These are you are seeing everywhere. Okay, grapevine you cannot see here. एठी अंकुर गछ देखि परिबनी, but pea plant तमे देखि परियो, money plant भी देखि परियो, and some other examples you can see in your surrounding. तम surrounding रे बहुत सारा example पाइबो climbers रो, and you can say by yourself. Next is creepers. Okay, those who creep. You are seeing pumpkin, watermelon. Okay, plants with weak stems. They have creepers have also weak stems and cannot stand upright. Upright means सिद्धा से माने जाई परिबेनी. But spread on the ground are called creepers. से माने कौन करि परिबे? Ground रे. Okay, ground रे spread हेई परिबे. जेमिति your example pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, pumpkin. I am not remembering the name of pumpkin. Oh, kokharu. Okay, kokharu and watermelon, tarbuja. Okay, and others also you can see. Okay, in your surrounding that where vegetables are grown, there you can see the creepers. Many type of creepers also. Okay, so these always creep. Some of you can say that these are grown on the top or top means some settings have been done. Okay, and these used to grow like this and these used to grow on the top. Okay, but not like this. What they used to do, they used to give support, and basically these they used to give support for this type of plant, pea and money plant. But for pumpkin and watermelon they used to grow on ground. Okay, so this is about climbers means which climb, creepers which creep. Okay, next to move. Here you look parts of plants. Okay, so this is a plant. We have plant means above is above ground, below ground. Ground upare, ground tole. Okay, above ground is what? Shoot system. Above ground is called shoot and below ground is called root. Okay, ground ভিতরে কোন ଅଛି? Root ଅଛି, ground উপরে shoot. Okay, shoot contain what? First, this one is what? This is grown straight upright. This one is stem. এটা first जोटा तळु root सहित लागि जे grow करछि सेटा कोन होछि? This one is stem. Okay, then from stem what will grow? Their branches will grow. Okay, these are this branches. Then we have leaf. This is leaf. Okay, this is leaf, broad leaf. Next we have bird. Look at here, bird. Bird means what? Bird are तबे जाको कढ़ कहउछ, फूल हवा पूर्व कढ़ जोटा हुए, that is bird. Then they have node and internode. Node internode part. Node where one branch is grown, जोठी गोटे branch बाहरिबो ताको node कुहा जाय, and internode means area between two nodes. Nodes मझिरे जो area अछि that is known as internode. Okay, then we will go to fruit. That bird will grow to fruit. Bird कोउथरे grow करि जे? Sorry. Bird will grow to flower. Okay, so from bird you will get flower. Okay, and flower will grow to fruit. So first bird हुए, कढ़ हुए, तापरे flower. Okay, flower means फूल हुए, तापरे fruit. This is about shoot. Then we will go to root system. We have main root. Here it is main root, that is known as primary root. Then from main root some branches are grown. Those are known as secondary root. Okay, so these are the parts of plant and which have shoot system and root system, and these many parts are here. Okay, let's move to next. So first part will study stem. Okay, so this is a stem. Okay, so this is a stem. You see, it is from closer view. Stem is what? Stem bear branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So stem रे कौन कौन था? Branches था. Look, branches have been gone. Leaves था. What you have seen? Look. Here this is the stem, full stem. Here stem has branches. Stem ରୁ कौन बाहर ची? Branches बाहर ची, leaves बाहर ची, bud बाहर ची, flower, fruit all are present on the stem. Okay, from this part to above it is stem. Next is what? The stem helps in upward movement of water. The water and minerals go to the leaves and other parts, other plants attached to them. Okay, so stem रो कौन जाए? Stem root कौन करे? Root absorb water nutrients. Root absorb कौन करे? Water और nutrients को absorb करे. That will go through the stem. Stem रो से water और minerals जाए and that will go to each part of plant. Means flower, fruit, leaves, branches. Okay, to this part those water and minerals will go. Okay, next is leaf. You are seeing the leaf. Okay, so leaf have different parts. So the leaves are important parts of plant which helps to prepare food. Here plant prepare food. एक plant तारो खाद्य तैयारी करे. Okay, food तैयारी करे. It has a green pigment. एटा green देखा जाउछि because of green pigment. The green pigment is known as chlorophyll. Green pigment को कौन कहै छै? Chlorophyll. That's why it looks green. The part of leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. जोठी okay stem सहित attached थाए. If this is stem and here leaf is grown. So this portion is known as petiole. याको कौन कहा जाए? Petiole. Okay. Then the broad green part of leaf is lamina. Okay. ये जो total green part अच्छे. Okay. This total green part, broad green part is lamina. ये total को कौन कहा जाए? Lamina. Next, a prominent line in the middle of the leaf is called midrib. Okay. A prominent line. Here you look. In the middle a line has been gone. एठी petiole को लगे कि पूरा मझिरे गोटे लाइन जाइछि. This line is known as what? This middle line is known as midrib. And from midrib too many veins have been grown. A midrib ru कोन बाहरछि? Veins बाहरछि. These are known as veins. And the outer side of leaf is known as margin. Margin means leaf रा outer side को margin कहा जाए. And this is tip. Tip means the pointed part. Okay. The top part of leaf is tip. Okay. So this is about leaf. So leaf has petiole, lamina. This whole green part is lamina. Then midrib in the middle. Then vein is coming out from the midrib. Then it has margin, then it has tip. Okay. Next, look. The design made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. Okay, venation. So, tomorrow vein ro jo design habo, so you have marked that different designs has been made by veins. Okay, every type of tree or plant have different types of what? Leaf venation. That's why we used to remember them according to their leaf venation and we used to separate them. ताको हमें separate करी पारजो काहेकि ताको leaf venation अलग अलग type रो थाए. Leaf venation means what? Arrangement or design of vein. देखो एठी vein सब केमिति बाहर छी. एटा मझिरे गोटे लाइन जाइछि midrib has gone middle and ता side रो कोन बाहर छी? Vein. Okay, but here you are seeing, look at here. Midrib is gone and all the veins are parallel to the midrib. एठी देखो सबु vein ए midrib रो parallel. देखिथिबो को गछ को पत्र? banana. Okay, कदली पत्र देखिथिबो. एमती midrib जाई थाए. Midrib टा केते मोटा थाए? लक्ष्य करिवो. हला एबे then the veins are like this. They are parallel. Okay. Like this. So, we'll see parallel venation and reticulated venation. If the design made by veins is net like, okay, look here, net jalo bhaliya. On the both side of the midrib it is reticulate venation. जदि तुमरो ए जो वेन रो डिजाइन कोन थाए जाल भलिया थाए नेट भलिया थाए ताले on the both side of the rib ro both side re, then that is reticulate venation. Then if the veins are parallel to each other, this is parallel venation. जदि veins सब parallel थाए each other, and देखो सब vein parallel in banana leaves also you can see all the veins are parallel. banana रे तमे देखिबो कदली पत्र देखिबो सब वेन सब एमदे पैरेलल सब थाए. Okay, that's why that is known as parallel venation. So this is two types of venation according to design made by veins. Veins जेमते डिजाइन करतो सेमिते तमे venation लिखिबो. जदि parallel थिबो parallel venation, जदि net like थिबो then that is reticulate venation. Okay, next move to next part. The process by which water comes out of the leaves in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. So sometimes you will see, okay, so leaves release water in the form of water vapor. Leaves कौन करे? Leaves रो water सबु को form में बाहर है water vapor, and this process is known as transpiration. Okay, next, plant release a lot of water through into the air through this process. आम बॉडी रो केमती माने वाटर बाहर आमर कौन हुए स्वेटिंग हुए झाड़ बाहर लाइक दैट तांकर झाड़ केमती बाहर तांकर स्वेटिंग केमती हुए इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन. तांकर स्वेटिंग कहबानी तांकर कौन कहबा ट्रांसपिरेशन. आमर वाटर बाहर ओके वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स बट तांकर कौन बाहर आमर झाड़ बाहर तांकर कौन बाहर वाटर वेपर. Okay, and this process is known as transpiration. Okay, that's it. Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green color substance called chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll विषय कहली leaves कौन पे green देखा जाए because of green color substance or pigment that is chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, so leaves कौन करे sunlight निये sun रू कौन सनलाइट ने देन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ग्रीन कलर से तार जो ग्रीन कलर था पिगमेंट क्लोरोफिल तार हेल्प रे कौन करे फोटोसिंथेसिस करे दैट फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग फूड तैयारी करे. इन फोटोसिंथेसिस लीव्स आल्सो यूज वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कौन कौन निये वाटर आउ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निये. ऑक्सीजन इज गिवन आउट ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस. ओके, सो leaves को कौन दरकार water. Okay, water will come out from the ground. Okay, through the root stem. root और stem देगी कौन आसे water आसे to the leaves and minerals. Then carbon dioxide will come through the leaves. Okay, and that it has chlorophyll inside it, and with the help of sunlight it will produce what? It will prepare food. After preparing food, what it is prepared? With that, oxygen is also prepared. So, se nabo carbon dioxide release karibo oxygen. That's why plant is necessary for us because we need so much oxygen. Amako oxygen darkar and food also. So, plant is preparing food and producing oxygen that is very much needed to us. Plant kon prepare kare oxygen, food along with oxygen. The food prepared by the leaves ultimately gets stored in different parts of plant. Plant रो different parts रे सेटा store है जे either leaf or root or stem or fruits. Okay, or flowers also. So we are eating those things. Differences between taproot and fibrous root. So first we'll see root. Root is where? Root is always, roots are mainly underground. It is always underground, under the ground. Okay, root absorbs waters and minerals from the ground. Ground ru कौन निये waters और minerals. Roots helps in holding the plant firmly in soil. Root पाई ही से plant और tree कौन हुए soil ऊपरे छिड़ा ही पारे. Okay, सीधा ही की छिड़ा ही हो. So and they anchor the plant to the soil. Anchor means धरी की रखी थाए. जाबुड़ी की धरी की रखी बनुए. That is anchor. Okay, the main root is known as called tap root. Main root को कौन कहा जाए? Tap root. And it has many smaller roots called lateral roots. So look at here. It is this is main root which is what? Tap root. And here smaller roots have been come out. These smaller roots are known as lateral root. So এটা middle টা হচ্ছে tap root and side টা হচ্ছে lateral roots. Look here example. This is what? By seeing you know this is carrot. So carrot we are eating. So carrot is what? तमरो गाजर टा कौन? Root. So we are eating root. Okay. So this carrot is a tap root and you can see so small lateral roots have come out from the carrot. Okay. Those are lateral roots. Next is fibrous root. Fibrous root is what? There in fibrous root there is no main root. ଏଇଠି ଦେଖ no main root. Okay. ତମେ ଯଦି ଘାସକୁ ଏମିତି ଉଠେଇ ଦବ ତା ତଳେ କିଛି main root ନଥିବ. ଯଦି ତମେ ଧାନ ଗଛକୁ ବି ଉଠେଇ ଦବ ଧାନ ଗଛକୁ ଉପାଡ଼ି ପକେଇବ ତା ତଳେ ବି main root ନଥିବ. Okay. So the fibrous roots are group of roots. এটা group of roots which seem similar and they do not have main root. So fibrous roots are what? Group of roots. ଏଇଠି ଦେଖ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ group of roots. All are similar. ସବୁ ଯାକ ସମାନ ସମାନ. Okay. And they do not have fibrous root. Okay. ସେମାନେ fibrous root ନଥାଏ. Sorry, they do not have main root. ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ଏମିତି ଯୋଉ carrot ର ଯେମିତି ଅଛି main root ସେମିତି main root carrot କି beet ହେଲା କି ତମର ମୂଳା ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କର କଣ ଥାଏ? Main root ଥାଏ. But this does not have main root. Okay. And they have group of roots which are similar. ଏମାନେ group of roots ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ root ସବୁ କଣ ସମାନ same type ର ଦେଖାଯାଏ. Okay. ତମେ ଯଦି ଘାସ ଉପାଡ଼ିବ ନହେଲେ ତମେ ଯୋଉ କଣ କହନ୍ତି ଧାନ ଗଛ ବି ଉପାଡ଼ିବ ସେ ସବୁର କଣ ଥାଏ? Fibrous root. Okay. Next what will do? How a plants grow from seed. Before that we'll see the roots also store food. Roots work is there. Roots को हमें खाऊचु मैं आगुर कहूतली. We are eating the roots, so that store food. Okay. So after photosynthesis, what food is made? That is going to the roots. We eat some of these root like radish, turnip, sweet potato, carrot. Okay. Radish is what? Mula. Okay. Turnip, this is turnip. I don't know the Odia name. Okay. Then sweet potato. ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା କନ୍ଦମୂଳ ଯୋଉଟା ତମେ କୁହ. This one is sweet potato. Carrot. This is carrot. ଗାଜର. Okay. So these roots we are eating. Beet also root. Beet is also you are eating. Okay. Next, how plants grow from a seed. Look at here. This one is seed. Okay. When we are putting seed inside, after some days, something will come out. Okay. जोटा कि तमे गजा कहूଛ. That will come out and go to the where? Go to the ground. Okay. Inner side of the ground. एटा तळु तळु जाए. So this from seed first what is formed? First root is formed. Seed root first कौन formation हुए? Root formation. Then the from the seed will go above the ground. Seed टा कोठी जाए ऊपर को जाए and it will burst and there the cover of the seed will come out and their first leaves will grow. First leaf grow हुए. Then after that from this seed what they will go? The plant will grow above and their stem, branch, leaves will grow. Like this plants grow from a seed. So look at here. Next is flowers. Okay. Flowers. So flowers is what? So flower you have seen different types of flowers are you have seen and flowers we are very much attracted to flowers. Why? Because they have so much variety of color, beautiful color and they have smell. Okay. Means fragrance, beautiful smell or fragrance they have. तांकर बढ़िया सुगंध थाए और color shape बढ़िया सुंदर सुंदर देखा जाए. That's why we are very much attracted to flowers. Okay. So flowers are what? They are colorful and seed bearing parts of plant. Okay. So flowers colorful थाए और सेथरे कौन तैयारी हुए? Seed. Okay. Seed means what? मंचे जोटा पूर्वरु देखिलो. So here look this white color flowers. Okay. याकू कौन कुह यार मने पड़नी मते नेम मने पड़नी यार आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग द नेम ओडिया नेम okay this one is marigold okay so, and these are the different flowers you are seeing where around your home. Okay, so these are, you can see these are very beautiful and attractive. So let's see about flowers. So flowers have different plants. Okay, you are seeing flowers, you are using flowers everywhere, but have you ever noticed they have so many parts? No. But today we'll notice and see what are the parts of flower. Okay, look, so many parts they have. So first we'll look the ground means it has stalk. Okay, the flower have, this one is what, stalk. Okay, where it is attached to the stem. So this is what, this is stalk. Okay, STALK. Okay, in computer handwriting is very pathetic, very bad my handwriting. Okay, so you have to adjust. That's why I am repeating STALK. Okay, this is what, this portion is stalk. Okay, next move to this green portion. Okay, so you have seen the bird. Okay, कढ़ देखिथिबो, कढ़ चारिपटे कोन थाए, कलरफुल थाए कि, that is always, most of the time green part is more. Okay, कढ़रे कोन थाए, bird रे most of the part green part थाए, that is known as sepal. And when that bird converted into flower, the sepal will be downside, it will hold the flower. Okay, sepal, eta hochi sepal. Next, flower is colorful because of petal. So this is petal. Okay, so this is petal, this is colorful, that's why it is attractive, means jahaku tame pakhuda kohucho. Okay, next is stamen. Stamen is the male part of plant. Okay, which is stamen, this is stamen. Okay, so stamen is like that, ଆମେ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଖେଳୁ ଷ୍ଟାମେନ୍ ସହିତ। ଓକେ, କ'ଣ ଫାଇଟିଂ ଫାଇଟିଂ ଖେଳ ହୁଏ, ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାମେନ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାମେନ୍କୁ ନେଇକି ଫୁଲର ଷ୍ଟାମେନ୍ ବାହାର କରିକି ତାପରେ ଫାଇଟିଂ ଫାଇଟିଂ ଖେଳ ହୁଏ। ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ତମେ ଖେଳିଛ କି ନାହିଁ, ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଖେଳିଛି ଫାଇଟିଂ ଫାଇଟିଂ ଖେଳ। ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାମେନ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ, ଯିଏ ତାର ଉପର ପାର୍ଟକୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବ ସେ ଜିତିଯିବ। ଓକେ, so this is stamen, and stamen has upper part that is known as anther, and below part is long part is, that is filament. Okay, next, the flower has middle part. This middle part is known as pistil. Pistil is what? Pistil is female part of plant. So you see upper one is stigma, this is stigma, then this long part is style. Okay, style, then inside the below part is, that rounded part is ovary, inside ovary you will find ovules. Okay, so let's see on in detail. Okay, look at here, this is rose flower and it has beautiful petals which has fragrance. Okay, petal is bright, colorful and prominent parts of open flower, जोटा फूल फुटी जाई थाए। ओके, फूल फुटिला परे सिना तार पेटल देखि पारियो, जते पर्यंत फुटी नथो ताकू केमति पेटल पाइबो। Okay, so that's why it is saying open flower. So it is bright, so bright थाए, colorful and prominent part. Okay, that's why you can easily recognize after seeing, ताकू देखि कि तमे ताकू recognize करि पारिबो। Okay, this is petals, these are petals of rose flower. Okay, next, sepal. I have told sepal. Look, this is a bird, and around the bird, these green parts are, green part is here. Look here, green part. This one is also green part. But when this flower will bloom, flower bloom hela pare, blooming means फुटी साइला परे कौन हुए, that will be on the downside. Okay, so the green colored small leaf like structure, this is leaf like structure around a bird are called sepals. Bird चारिपटे जो leaf like structure था ताको कौन कहा जाए, sepals. The sepals support the blooming flower. जो flower bloom हो जाता है, जो फुटी थी फूल ताको से support करे. Okay, next, stamen. Okay, जोटा तमे fighting खेल कहतली. Look here, so much stamens are there. Okay, so stamens always surround the pistil. Pistil मझिरे थाए आ ताको surround करी stamen थाए. So stamen consist of anther. Stamen कौन थाए? Stamen ऊपरे anther थाए and that is head of the stamen. एटा head बढ़िया. Okay, and a filament that is the long stick below the anther. Anther तले जो long stick थाए, एटा जो long stick that is anther. So filament, anther, stamen. These both are called stamen. Stamen is the male part of plant. Okay. Next, pistil. So pistil is what? Pistil is the innermost of a flower is called pistil. पूरा भीतर थाए pistil innermost. Look at here. So stamens are surrounding the pistil. देखो ये pistil गोटे थाए. Okay, single. Pistil एक रो one रो अधिक न थाए. गोटे ही थाए. But stamens are more than pistil and it always surround the pistil. Stamens सब always pistil को surround करते हैं and pistil is always on the inner side on the middle of the flower. सब बड़े भीतर रहता है. Okay. So let's see. This is the female part of plant. एटा कौन female part of plant है. A pistil contain stigma, style and ovary. Look, stigma is the top part, rounded part. देखो. तापरे style is the a long part. Okay, long stick like part. एटा style. Then ovary. Ovary is the below rounded part. Okay. Inside ovary you will find small bead like structure. So it is देखो small bead like structure अच्छी. Okay. So these are called ovules. Okay. So inside ovary what you found? Ovules. And these are the reproductive parts of plant. Means stamen and pistil. Okay. So this is stamen is male part and pistil is female part. Okay. So this is about types of plants and different female parts. Okay. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.